Hey there people, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the HQ Advanced Products rubber bands. Now, this bag of rubber bands is assorted, okay? And there's several different kinds in here, several different sizes. Yeah. And what I don't know is that how many is inside the bag. I mean, I've been using these for a while, but I've never known how many is inside the bag. I mean, it says on the package 1.5 ounces, but I guess they just put, weigh it and like put a bundle in there that weighs this amount, and that's how much you get. But there's no way to know unless you just counted them one by one on actually how many individual rubber bands that you're getting in a pack like this. Well, okay. Well, anyway, the rubber bands here they're good rubber bands. They come in, like I said, several different sizes. You get little ones like this, which is here, and you get thicker ones like this, which are the ones that I use the most, because what I do with these rubber bands is I use them to seal tight certain plastic bags that I'll have in my garage that I store things in, and I want to use the rubber band to actually, keep the top of the bag sealed tightly. So I will, double this up, one time, and then boom, it snaps back onto the plastic and it's good. So yeah, so it comes in this size and this smaller one here. Yeah, now, and this larger one, right? Pretty much the same size, same kind as the smaller one, just a little bigger. Yeah, now you have to be careful. I mean, you can use them and they are really good rubber bands. They're solid and they don't tend to break. I haven't had any experience with them breaking too much, only when they are in contact with any kind of like oil, something like that, some kind of like grease or Vaseline or something like that, any kind of oil. I've seen these kind of break down over time. Like if you like took a rubber band like this and then wrapped it around like a plastic bag like I do, and get like some kind of oil on it, any kind of grease or something, over time that rubber band will break down. Like rubber gets like loses its integrity and its chemical makeup starts to break down with oils. So you have to be careful not to get any kind of oil or grease on there, because it will break down. I've seen it happen. So yeah, but other than that, the actual uses of these kind of rubber bands, I mean, it's probably pretty endless, all the different things you can do with them. I told you I mainly use these for plastic bags and sealing plastic tops, but you could use these for several different things. I mean, all kind of different applications. I mean, the sky's the limit, and you get a lot of them. I mean, I don't know anybody who would use an entire bag of rubber bands over time and need more later, unless you were having some kind of a rubber band fight or something. But these are very good. I like them a lot, and like I said, I've been using this brand of rubber band for probably a little over a year, since I started, putting things into storage and stuff like that. And yeah, I like especially the thicker ones because they are really strong. The thicker ones don't stretch out really super far, but they far enough to do what I need them to do. I mean, don't expect these to be like super stretchy. See, that's about as far as it'll go. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's gonna break, but it is so tight that it won't go anymore. My fingers would have to be stronger to actually make it stretch. But it looks like if my fingers were stronger, it would go farther. but because they're really strong. But yeah, they're really good rubber bands, and I like them a lot, and I'll continue to use them. Alright, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. These are the HQ Advanced Product Rubber Bands, and there's 1.5 ounces of them in there. Okay guys, I'll talk to you again soon. Alright, bye-bye.